Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to get tax exempt on Amazon. If you run a business or qualify for tax exemption, setting this up on Amazon can save you money on eligible purchases. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account. This takes you to your account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Amazon profile. Now scroll down through the different sections until you locate Tax Exemption Program. Click on it to begin the setup process. This section is specifically designed for users who qualify for tax-exempt purchases, whether for business, nonprofit, or government purposes. On the next screen, scroll down and click on No Thanks, Set up tax exemptions with my current account. This option allows you to add tax exemption to your existing account rather than creating a separate one. You'll now be prompted to select your state or territory. Choose the appropriate location from the drop-down menu, then click Save and Continue. This step is important because tax exemption rules vary by state, and Amazon needs to apply the correct regulations to your account. Next, you'll need to select your exemption type. This could be business, nonprofit organization, government entity, or another qualifying category depending on your situation. Make your selection and click Save and Continue to proceed. After this, Amazon will ask you a series of required questions to verify your eligibility. Answer each question carefully and completely as you work through the form. These questions help Amazon confirm that you meet the legal requirements for tax exemption in your state. Continue answering all the required questions until you reach the final one in the sequence. Once you've completed all the questions and submitted your information, you'll need to wait for approval. The approval time can vary depending on how you submitted your documentation. For some manual entries, the process might take about 15 minutes. However, if you uploaded forms or documents, approval can take up to 24 hours. During this waiting period, Amazon's team will review your submission to ensure everything is in order. Once approved, your tax-exempt status will automatically apply to eligible purchases, making your future transactions smoother and more cost-effective. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.